Hi there and welcome to my channel. Be sure and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified of more videos like this I'll be putting out every week. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing a face makeup routine. I'm going to be doing liquid spray foundation, which is awesome. It's brand new. Just put out and you just gotta shake it up a little, get it mixed up. I also started off with a face primer. This is a hydrating face primer. You could use just a regular face primer. I'll link where you can find either one, but always be sure and start with washing your face and moisturizing. Let the moisturizer dry, put on some primer, let that set in, and then get started with your foundation. And then it's just super easy. Just give it a few quick squirts on the Kabuki brush, and then we're gonna just blend it in. This foundation will last you probably up to 3 months with everyday use, but if you're using it only a couple times a week like myself, I don't do my face makeup every single day, it could last you long. It could last you up to 6 months if you're only doing it a couple times a week. So it goes a long ways. We're also going to want to come in and get a little bit of concealer and just cover up any spots, blemishes that we got going on. You could also just do it with your finger. That would work just as well. And I'm going to come under my eyes as well and cover up any bags. I'm going to get one more squirt of this and just cover up those spots that I just concealed. Especially around here on the nose. And a lot of women get some redness and discoloration there. And it just gives it a nice, smooth, flawless finish. It's really light. It's not cakey or super thick. It just feels really light. It doesn't feel super heavy on my face, and I love that. It's just a nice, natural, everyday kind of a foundation. I'm going to come in with this translucent setting powder. Right, we're going to get a little bit of blush. I'm going to get this highlighter and just come above the blush. Just brighten that area up. And then if you want, you can also set it with some setting spray. It's totally optional, but I like to do that. And then just let it set in and dry. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. I will link where you can find all of today's products that were used. Got the setting spray, the foundation, blush, the luminizer, the brush, concealer, translucent setting powder, and some face primer.